For example, mini drama has 2% or 3% with a short script, and drama has about 10, 10 or more about the person in the script, and it has a long script. And the second question is, how do you plan to implement the mini drama in your research? My answer is mini drama provides inspiring settings and frameworks for acquiring and using real language in imagined worlds, as well as demonstrating how it is an entertaining, sociable, and emotionally engaged approach for children and young people, especially students, to acquire language. The narrative, actors, and actresses and conversations are all aspects that contribute to a pleasant learning environment. All of this will have an impact on how students study in class, and they will not bar. They will also learn about immigrant culture, gain information, and understand how foreigners pronounce words as a result of saying the replicate what they see and hear as a result of the interesting drama, which will affect their knowledge of communications in English. That's all of my answer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the answer. Damasus, do you have any suggestion?
I think that in your proposal you should explain more clearly, define it in your action, because it is quite not clear about the procedure on how you implement the mini drama. What are the steps that are need to be taken to implement it? So I think that she should define more on the implementation process. I think that's.
Thank you for the feedback, Crystal.
Okay, thank you, Damasus. Now the second discussion is Intan. So please have your time, Intan, to ask question.
All right, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Cordella. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In your research, you have written about the technique of data collection, which one of them is a test, right? So my question is, what kind of test will you use to find out whether there is an improvement or not in the use of this mini drama to students? Is it clear, Della?
Yes, it is clear. Okay, I will answering Intan questions. Your question is, what kind of test will you use to find out whether there is an improvement or not in the use of this mini drama to students? My answer is, I use tests to get some information about students' ability to practice speaking in every cycle. The speaking tests were needed to find out some information from students, and it was aimed to know the successful or not about treatment that had given by researcher in every cycle. It was also aimed to identify their problems of practicing speaking. The speaking test that will be taken is a test using a mini drama practice by reading a script or practicing a dialogue and performing in front of the class. The speaking test is also written form with several questions in the form of multiple choice or essay, and the test use is believed to increase accuracy and fluency as well as vocabulary and also increase confidence to appear in front of many people. That's all of my answer. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have any suggestion?
I think my suggestion is same like Damascus, sir. Della needs to make it clear in her proposal, like to explain more about the test that she's going to do in her research. I think that's my feedback, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now it is my turn, yeah, to ask question. All right. The use of mini drama. Okay. Now, what do you consider as mini drama? Hello, Adela.
Yes, sir.
So what do you consider as mini drama? So what do you mean by mini drama in your project?
What they consider in the mini drama is how the mini drama will improving students' speaking skills.
No, I'm asking about the
In
mini drama itself. So what do you mean by mini drama? So can you give example of mini drama?
the example of mini drama is more like a short script of drama, and it includes two until six persons in the script. It's more like a dialogue practice.
So mini
Uh,
drama you mean here is that uh, the number of people, the number of character are not many. Is that what you mean?
yes, it's more like a smaller scale of the drama, sir. Because the drama itself will take a very long time to the students. So I choose to use a mini drama instead of drama.
So mini drama here is defined in terms of the number of character or the length of the duration.
It's both of them, sir.
So I think yeah, that's not clear in your definition here, mini drama. Uh, so mini can be small. So now the question is, what I mean, in what term do you define small? Yeah, or mini? Is it about the number of participants? I mean, the character, the duration, the length of duration, or the topic itself, perhaps. I mean, the story takes only, let's say, a few minutes, 15 minutes, is something like that. So I think you have to define this mini drama as clear definition, and also you have to be clear, if possible. You must, not actually possible, but you must give the example of mini drama that you are going to use in your project. Now, can you mention the mini drama you mean that you are going to use in your project?
The mini drama that I mean and I will use in my project is with the smaller scale, like the durations, like sir mentioned before, the durations of the practice of the students, and the persons of the script in the script, like 2 until 3 persons, or in the next cycle like 4 until 6 persons, like this, sir.
Do you have already that drama, mini drama? Yeah.
I'm sorry, sir, can you,
Do you
it's not
have
clear.
that? Do you have that example? Itu yang saya minta itu. Udah punya belum mini dramanya itu atau baru kira-kira?
I have searched one dialogue with 2 persons, and I have inserted in the appendix as the example for the cycle 1. And I have a plan to use a larger scale of mini drama with 4 until 6% in the next cycle to look for the improvement of the student speaking skill.
Oke ya, kita lanjut aja. Introduction-nya, background-nya. Yang penting kamu sudah masukkan ini apa problemnya. Saya kira ini sudah oke. Kemudian research question-nya. Research question ini ada 2, tetapi how is number 1 different from number 2? Huh?
Different is for the first question is for the accuracy, because when the students are speaking, they're just speaking as like, but they are speaking but it's not accurate. They will sometimes they do not know what is the fault of their speaking skills. And for the fluency is more like when
How are you going to measure accuracy and fluency?
for the major, I think is difference in the taking the observations of the accuracy and the fluency of the students.
In the taking of what? Particularly fluency. How
Taking
do you measure fluency?
For the fluency is when I give them the practice of dialogue, practice test in the dialogue.
Ya,
When
gimana?
the students read the text.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I don't know how are you going to score fluency.
I will score it with the practice test, sir. With the
What page do you explain how to score fluency?
what page?
What page in your proposal?
I think I do not write it about the test that will score the accuracy and fluency, sir.
Nah, itu gimana caranya kalau kan di sini ya penelitian kamu ini memerlukan bahwa kamu itu mengukur fluensi dan mengukur akurasi. Nah, speaking skills consists of two competencies, ya. Accuracy and fluencies. And there you have to explain what you mean by accuracy, what are the limit of accuracy, ya. Kemudian bagaimana fluensinya seperti apa, bagaimana cara mengukurnya. Nah, itu yang belum ada, ya. So, and you cannot answer your question later, ya, kalau kamu tidak ada mekanisme itu. Ini kan, how does the use of mini drama improve speaking accuracy, improve speaking fluency? Jadi kalau tidak dijelaskan bagaimana mengukur akurasi atau fluensi, kita tidak tahu bagaimana cara menjawab pertanyaan 1, 2 ini. Itu ya.
Alright, sir.
Oke, kemudian terminologi, oral language, speaking, teaching, media, mini drama, termasuk nanti adalah accuracy dan fluency itu harus ada di sini. Kemudian frame of theory ya, teaching, speaking. Alright. Definition of speaking yang sebenarnya bukan definition of speaking tapi teaching, mungkin speaking competencies. Jadi kita bicara tentang speaking competencies because you need to talk about competencies. I mean the aspect of speaking. Kemudian sini teaching media. Apa karena kamu mau bicara masalah drama ya? Saya kira langsung aja mini drama ya. So, nggak usah lagi teaching media. Jadi langsung aja mini drama for teaching speaking. Nah, di situ kamu harus menjelaskan mini drama itu apa karakteristik mini drama. Kemudian harus sudah ada contohnya yang mau kamu buat, kamu gunakan nanti, ya. Jangan baru nyari-nyari sebagai contoh saja, bukan. So let's say you want to use 3 mini drama, for example. So there are 3 already listed here, and you can explain one by one. Drama 1 apa, drama 2 apa, drama 3 apa, dan selanjutnya. Nah itu, dua hal itu yang penting dibicarakan dalam frame of theory. Alright, research design, car, oke. Car itu, tetapi kamu harus jelaskan di sini car itu prosesnya seperti apa, di sini belum dijelaskan. Jadi seperti planning, ya kan? Kemudian activating, observing, reflecting itu harus ada di sini. Riset partisipan jangan banyak-banyak. Kalau partisipan cukup 1 kelas saja dan tidak ada population and sample, tidak. Cuma riset partisipan, kamu cuma bilang, misalkan saya akan meneliti di kelas 12A, misalkan begitu, di SMA sekian, nah gitu. Jadi jangan disebutkan berapa kelas dan sebagainya, karena kita tidak akan bicara masalah populasi dan sampel, cukup partisipan. Kemudian di teknik of data collection, tekniknya observation and interview, salah, harusnya ada measurement, kamu tidak perlu interview. Jadi harusnya yang pertama measurement, yang kedua observation. Nah, ini kalau tes itu namanya bukan teknik, tetapi tools of data collection. Jadi di tes ini disebut harus diganti menjadi measurement. Dijelaskan measurement itu pengukuran, mengukur apa? Mengukur speaking competency. So you explain here how you will measure the speaking competencies. Nah, alatnya di sini harusnya tools of data collection itu instrumen atau alat penelitian. Yang pertama adalah test speaking, jadi kamu harus jelaskan test speaking itu nanti seperti apa di sini. Observation checklist, speaking test ini sudah ada, tapi contohnya nanti harus ada seperti apa prosedurnya, yang kamu uji apa, dalam bentuk seperti apa kegiatan tes tersebut. Data analysis ya, karena kamu ada 2, jadi speaking sama observation. Tapi yang paling utama speaking ini sudah oke. Kita menggunakan yang deskriptif ini saja. Nah itu kira-kira referensi diperbaiki lagi seperti biasa. Saya minta IPA. Ini observation checklist harusnya dibahas di atas, tapi ini appendixnya adalah contoh langsung daripada observation checklist yang mau digunakan. Nah ini skrip, untuk apa skrip ini? Nah apakah ini untuk tes? Ya. Tapi kan yang dibutuhkan movie-nya, mungkin kalau ada link-nya, kamu simpanlah link-nya di sini, so then people can check your mini drama that you mean for your research. Ya. Nah saya kira itu ya. Sudah oke, ini sudah oke judulnya sudah bisa go on, tetapi harus memperbaiki poin-poin yang sudah saya sebut tadi ya. Saya kira itu adalah good luck for your project. So do you have any question?
I think no, sir. Thank you for the feedback.
Oke, kalau demikian cukup di sini ya. Oke, karena waktunya udah mau habis, so I stop it.